Today we look at GPT 5.5 Instant, which OpenAI released on May 5, 2026 as the new default ChatGPT model for all users, replacing GPT 5.3 Instant and serving as API chat latest. It produces 52.5% fewer hallucinated claims on high-stakes medicine, law, and finance prompts, answers with 30.2% fewer words, and adds enhanced personalization for past chats. In the next few minutes, we cover what it is, how it works, and how to apply it. Let us start with the core idea behind GPT 5.5 Instant. Here are the essentials of GPT 5.5 Instant in plain language, what it is, and why it was introduced. On May 5, 2026, OpenAI made GPT 5.5 Instant the default ChatGPT model for all users, replacing GPT 5.3 Instant. It also serves as the API chat latest endpoint, so it reaches both consumer and developer surfaces. On high-stakes prompts in medicine, law, and finance, GPT 5.5 Instant produced 52.5% fewer hallucinated claims than GPT 5.3 Instant. In flag conversations, it also produced 37.3% fewer inaccurate claims overall. Answers are noticeably more compact, using 30.2% fewer words and 29.2% fewer lines than GPT 5.3 Instant. The tone is more natural and practical, with fewer emojis cluttering responses. GPT 5.5 Instant adds enhanced personalization drawn from your past chats, your files, and connected Gmail. These memory sources rolled out to Plus and Pro users first before reaching the broader base. Now let's look at why GPT 5.5 Instant matters in practice. Here is where GPT 5.5 Instant shows up in real products, teams, and decisions. Because GPT 5.5 Instant produced 52.5% fewer hallucinated claims on high-stakes prompts, we can lean on it more confidently for medicine, law, and finance questions, while still verifying critical outputs ourselves. With 30.2% fewer words and 29.2% fewer lines per answer, GPT 5.5 Instant gives us the practical point faster. The more natural tone and fewer emojis suit professional, everyday use. By drawing on past chats, files, and connected Gmail, GPT 5.5 Instant personalizes responses to our context. Plus and Pro users get these memory sources first, so paid tiers see the benefit earliest. OpenAI keeps GPT 5.3 Instant available to paid users for roughly 3 months, then retires it. We should test our workflows on GPT 5.5 Instant now, so the transition is smooth before that window closes. Let us recap the key takeaways on GPT 5.5 Instant and what to do next. GPT 5.5 Instant became the default ChatGPT model for all users on May 5, 2026, replacing GPT 5.3 Instant and serving as the API chat latest endpoint. It produced 52.5% fewer hallucinated claims on high-stakes prompts and 37.3% fewer inaccurate claims in flag conversations than GPT 5.3 Instant. Answers use 30.2% fewer words and 29.2% fewer lines, with a more natural, practical tone and fewer emojis than the model it replaced. Enhanced personalization from past chats, files, and connected Gmail rolled out to Plus and Pro users first, while GPT 5.3 Instant stays about 3 months before retiring. That is GPT 5.5 Instant, OpenAI's new default ChatGPT model since May 5, 2026, with 52.5% fewer hallucinated claims and 30.2% fewer words per answer. If this helped, subscribe and share it with your team. For more information, visit Standarity.com. See you in the next video.